Are you looking for amazing gadgets and items that are cheap and much useful? Here you go. In this video, I will be telling you top 5 gadgets that you can buy from Amazon, which are cheap and can change the way you live your life. Number 1 is Portable Mini Turbo Fan. 100 levels of wind speed adjustable, superconducting ice porcelain cooling, Derber, Meka-style transparent shell design, compact and convenient, long battery life, one-click cooling. The air outlet temperature can be reduced to 16 degrees Celsius within 3 seconds. It is a must-have item for the hot summer. With 100 levels of wind power adjustment, you can adjust the wind power according to your preferences, meeting your requirements for different wind speeds. Referring to the German turbine system, the upgraded fan has a 300% increase in wind power. The small and light body weighs only 160 grams, truly achieving fast operation and lightweight. The transparent Meka-style design allows you to see the clean and tidy circuit layout inside. The design, full of a sense of technology, will make it the focus of attention. Second is the Mengnu Wood Grain Mini UltraSonic Humidifier. This humidifier is inspired by minimalist aesthetics, with smooth lines and warm lighting complementing each other. Whether placed on the coffee table in the living room or next to the bedside table in the bedroom, it can instantly enhance the style of the home and make life full of artistic atmosphere. The third one is 3D wallpaper decoration. Premium quality, constructed of high-grade XPE foam, anti-children's collision, takes care of your family. Waterproof, moist-proof, and sound insulated. Easy clean and maintenance. Non-toxic, odorless. Self-adhesive peel and stick wallpaper. Easy paste and removement. The material of 3D brick foam wallpaper is safe. No detection of harmful heavy metal, high-quality environmental wall decor panels. Ideal for featured walls, TV walls, sofa background, living room, bedroom, kitchen, kids' room, stairs, dinner room, and so on. The fourth one is small portable USB vacuum cleaner. Powered by any devices with USB port, such as your computer, desktop, laptop, tablet, mobile power, and so on. Easy and convenient. Perfect for keep your beverages warm, such as coffee, tea, milk tea, water, etc. Great for use at home and office, keeping you brew warm on cold days. Made of durable material, safe, anti-corrosion, and wear resistance. The fifth one is Mini Digital Scale. High quality and high precision new universal digital jewelry pocket scale. LCD display with green backlight. Multi-unit display automatic calibration function. Peeling function. Overload protection system. Auto power off in default 60 seconds. Note: the accuracy is 0.01 grams, but the minimum measured weight is 0.05 grams. So these were the 5 gadgets that you can buy on Amazon in cheap rates. If interested to buy any of these, link is in the description box below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more informative video. Bye, fellas.